So you might be looking at the new BlackBerry OS 7 devices and wondering just which one to go for. Well, let's just do a quick side-by-side comparison of a couple of the devices. We've got the BlackBerry 9810 here, so this is the one with a touchscreen and physical keyboard, and here we've got the 9860. This is one that is all touchscreen orientated and has no physical keyboard. In terms of screen sizes, we've got a 3.2 inch screen on the 9810 and a 3.7 inch on the 9860, so you do definitely get more real estate on the 9860, but you do have the added benefit of the slide out keyboard on the 9810. Both have a similar feature set and running the same operating system. You can expect very similar performance. Both have 5 megapixel cameras, but form factor is where the difference comes. Now, BlackBerry aren't too well known for their touchscreens, but they are getting better at it, and the responsiveness of both screens is pretty good. You don't get quite the same tactile feedback on a BlackBerry screen as you may a HTC or a Samsung, but having said that, the typing experience and general usability isn't too bad. So in terms of design, the 9860 is definitely thinner because it hasn't actually got the physical keyboard, but it is, in terms of profile, taller. So I've got here several views of the device. Let's just open them up. So you can see the 9810 is considerably taller when you've got the keyboard revealed. Both have a very good web browsing experience. Both can change the orientation of the screens, so you can probably see that as we're using it. We've got them in portrait mode, but we can flip them to landscape mode. The 9860 here seems to be a little bit slower, but that could be down to the software because this isn't a final unit. This is a pre-production evaluation model. In terms of battery life, you will get similar performance from them. So the 9860 has a bigger battery, but it has a bigger screen, whereas the 9810 does have that smaller battery, but the smaller screen is a bit of an advantage, although there's not a lot of difference. Both have got 3G HSDPA and all Wi-Fi and what have you on board. Both have micro SD slots and take a standard SIM card. They can be used all over the globe, but do check your frequencies based on your location for support for 3G particularly. But that's a quick lowdown and differentiation between the 9860 and the 9810.